Hello, I am Dr. A.M. Deshmukh, President, Microbiologist Society, India. Today I am again here to talk with you. What is the situation in India today? In India, it seems that public or a society is afraid of coronavirus. The fear, why there is a fear? They are watching the news on the TV. They are watching messages on WhatsApp and Facebook. On the WhatsApp, let me clarify, many messages are fake messages. One example I would like to give you. There was a message that WHO has given the schedule for the lockdown. In fact, WHO has not given any schedule for the lockdown. Second, on the TV, there are many news to make you panic. They are not giving deliberately. They don't know the microbiology behind it. So I request all TV channels that before giving the news, please consult to the microbiologist or consult to the doctor. What news they are giving? One news was there, that is 20 young people got affected by the coronavirus. It's a breaking news. It is not a breaking news. Because microbiology says that any person is likely to get infected, but in young people, death rate is about 0. So, we are concerned with the death, not with the infection. Again I will request to the public, don't get panic. That means infecteds are more. What should be our intention? Our target should be to reduce the death. Now, come to the point how we can reduce the death. Now we know what is which part of the society is likely to get likely to have death. Particularly the high risk people and old age people. Old age people meaning is that people above 65 years age. And high risk people meaning is that the person having diabetes, sugar, the blood pressure, kidney problem or heart complications. So they are considered to be the most sensitive person. So what precaution we can take in the future? In the future, we try to protect them. How? In the home, try to isolate them, keep them in separate room. Before entering, put a mask. Before entering, use sanitizer to the hand. Don't allow children to enter into the room of the older people. So, quarantine them in short at your home, if possible on the farm, if possible prepare an isolation center and keep them there. So, our main target should be to protect them at least for 2 months. So that within 2 months, some solution definitely will have a solution to the coronavirus. Again, second thing is that we should not be afraid. Another reason I will tell you, people are giving me example of Italy. People are giving me example of America. You see, in the Italy, the population higher than 65 year age was 23%. On the contrary, in India, it is only 6%. Again, we will compare the young population in Italy and India. In India, below 35 is a 65% population. In Italy, below 35 age, only 35% population. That's why the death rate was more in Italy. Secondly, come to the America. People are asking me, sir, see the picture of America, 20,000 died in 1 month. I am going to tell them. Before coronavirus infection, what was the death rate in India? Per day, 22,000 people die in India before coronavirus. Per day, 2,000 children below 5 years age die in India. So among them, about 600 per day death occur due to the malnutrition. Now, I will request you pay more attention to the death due to malnutrition. We have to put more money. We are putting more money to the coronavirus. What was the reason? Reason was, it was likely that on one day more load will come on the hospital. For example, 1 lakh, 5 lakh people get admitted in the hospital. Government was not having the ways to fight with the coronavirus. What was the situation on 22nd March? We were not prepared to fight with the coronavirus. During 21 days now we have achieved many things. We have enough ventilator. Not enough, but more ventilator. We have more testing kits. We have testing centers. We have beds. Everything is increasing. Still 20 days are in our hand. Up to 3rd May, we can increase this potential and will prepare to fight against the coronavirus. Now, again, stepwise we can give the relief in the lockdown that government is doing. Even after the lockdown is lifted, we have to keep a social distance and we have to protect our old people. That precaution we have to take. And then definitely we will be able to fight with the coronavirus. Coronavirus will not be the major problem in India if we take enough precautions as I have told you. So, thank you very much. Thank you for listening.